How to do match the headings. How to do match the heading for IELTS reading practice. Hi, I am Monica. In this video, I am going to explain how to do match the headings. These are the rules. Let's read at the rules of the list of headings. First, read the list of headings. Always read the list of headings which we have given in the questions like we have these are the list of headings. Okay, we have 8 list of headings and questions are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 questions and list of headings are 8. It means one list of heading is extra, so we have to carefully choose the headings for these paragraphs. Okay, let's move on to the next type of rules. Okay, after reading the list of heading one by one, always translate or understand the meaning of question statement. Okay, like we have first one is productive outcomes that may result from boredom. The productive outcomes that may result from boredom. Why I am reading it twice or thrice? In order to understand the meaning of this question, or in order to understand what this statement is saying about this topic. Okay, after reading it, after understand the meaning of this list of heading, let's move on to the next type of statement, next type of rule. Okay, next is underline the key words. What are the key words? Okay, here like these are the keywords, like these are the list of heading. First of all, these are the keywords. Let's find it in this list of heading. First is the productive outcomes. Okay, the productive outcomes that may result from boredom. Okay, boredom, of course the topic is relating to boredom. I'll show you the topic also, but first I am explaining how to start list of headings. I'll show you the everything, and I will show you how to attempt these list of headings also. So these are the important keywords which I am going to find in the paragraph for the headings only. Okay, this is the word which is based on the title only. Boredom is it is relating to the topic only. So these are our important keywords. Next rule is take out some synonyms for the keywords. The keywords which we have underlined or circled them, try to take out some synonyms out of these. Like for productive, what we can get, like fertile, fruitful. Okay, these kinds of synonyms we can always we can always revise it into our mind, but you don't need to write on the question paper, but I am explaining it into this video tutorial. That's why I am writing it here. Okay, next keyword is outcomes. What does it mean? It means some results. Of course, here also it is given, but we are looking for this productive outcomes. Productive here means fertile or fruitful or positive outcomes. Results, like it may be consequences. I am giving you the synonym of these words. Of course, I am not saying these words you will be getting in the same synonyms you will be getting in the paragraph, but I am trying to find other synonyms. We may get these synonyms in the paragraph, like consequences and or outcome. We can come across for these keywords in the passage, or some other words we may get like outcome or effect. These words, like in this way, first read the headings, try to understand the meaning of this and underline the keywords and try to find some synonyms for these keywords. Let's move on to the okay, as I told you, in your mind only. Now start reading paragraphs one by one. Start reading paragraphs one by one. Okay, these are the list of headings. Okay, one thing it is important, always read the instructions. These are the instructions. Do not ignore it, always read the instruction. Whatever given in the instruction, you should follow it. Let's read it. Reading passage 2 has 6 paragraphs, A to F. Okay, choose the correct headings for each paragraph from the list of headings below. Write the correct number 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Mind it, this is in Roman numericals, this is in Roman numbers, so you have to write the answers in Roman numerals, not in 1 2 3 4 5. No, this is the wrong way, otherwise you will get wrong. Your answer will be considered as wrong answer if you are writing these words. Okay, okay, in boxes 14 to 19 on your answer sheet, only on your answer sheet. Now the writer, the examiner is saying himself in your question paper, write your answers on the answer sheet only, not on the question paper. Okay, let's start it. This is the topic, this is the passage which I have selected for this tutorial. Test 1, IELTS 13, book is IELTS 13, and this is academic rating, and the title of the topic is why being bored is stimulating and useful too. Why being bored is stimulating and useful too. Okay, this is the title. Why I am reading it twice or thrice in this way, I am going to read some knowledge about this topic only. I am going to read about this topic only. Okay, why being bored is stimulating and useful too. Let's read it from paragraph A. Okay, before starting this, we have to read the complete list of headings. What teachers can do to prevent boredom. For prevent is important keyword, and teachers, for teachers what we can get the words like. For teachers we can get the words like, let's write it here, instructors, or we can get educator, tutor. See, we have to revise the synonyms for these words into our mind. You should not write on the question paper while doing your practice or in the examination hall. Teachers can do to prevent. To prevent is what? What to prevent is to avoid. To avoid, to stop, to avert. To avert. Okay, next is a new explanation and a new cure for boredom. A new explanation, yes, a new, something is new explaining. A new description must be there, and a new cure. Cure is some medication, some curative things must be given for this boredom. Okay, for new explanation is new explanation, the whole word I am underlining it, untold descriptions. Yes, we can get descriptions. For explanation we can get descriptions. Or fresh, new is fresh clarification. Or some report, some new reporting. Okay, next is and a new cure. What is cure? New, of course, we have already know, untold or fresh, something is new, that is untold. Okay, for cure we can get the word like medication, some new process. Of course they are talking about boredom, maybe there may be some process. Okay, something is making better. Okay, next is problems with a scientific approach to boredoms. Okay, we will underline it, problem with a scientific approach to boredom. Scientific approach, yes, for problems we can get the words like troubles, issues, difficulties, maybe difficult, there may be some difficulties, okay, difficulties, or these kinds of words we can get. Scientific approach, yes, it is important word to look for. With the help of this word and this, we can easily get the come to know which paragraph is talking about this heading. Okay, next is scientific approach. For scientific approach, we can get scientific methodology, or some lab activity or research, we can get activity or some research. The writer must be talking about some research in the paragraph. Okay. A potential danger arising from boredom. A potential danger, yes, for danger, potential danger is combined word we can get. For potential danger, what we can get, the word like possible. Potential is capability also, possible, or likely. Hazard or hazardous, or risky, some kind of risky thing. Or uncertainty, we may get the word like uncertainty. Okay. Next is arising from boredom. Potential is capable or capable relating to some danger or risk. Next is creating a system of classification for feelings of boredom. Creating a system for feelings of boredom. Now, what is creating? Creating is generating. Creating is generating. Let's write it here. Generating. Okay. Producing. We may get these kinds of words. System is here some mechanism or these kinds of words. For classification, in this list of heading, this is important. Creating a system of classification of, this is also important keyword. And of course feeling. For feeling, we can get the word like experience, some kind of experience. And for classification, what we can get for classification? For classification, we may get the words like groups or categorization. Where should I write? Groups or categorization. Categorization. We can find these kinds of words in the passage. Age groups most affected by boredom. Okay, age groups, we come to know some age groups, they must be talking about some older people or young people or middle aged people, so no need to write the synonyms for this. Most affected is affected by, influence or effect on, we can get the word like this. Identifying, those most affected by boredom. Identifying is recognizing. Let's write it here. Recognizing. Or point out, something is pointing out. Okay. Sporting, we can get these kinds of words. Distinctively, we can get these kinds of words for these words. In this way, see how I have underlined the keywords, as well as I have written here the synonyms for these keywords. In this way, you can easily find the answers, find the list of headings matching with the paragraphs only. Let's start. Let's read it, the passage only, from A. Now, how will you find the answer for this paragraph? This is also a longer paragraph. Of course, there are some tips and tricks famous for match the headings. Just read the first two sentences and the last two sentences, you will get the answer. Of course, 50 to 60% answers we can get easily from the first sentence or two sentences or the last two sentences. But in some paragraphs, I'm telling you again, but in some paragraphs you have to read the whole paragraph, you have to read the whole paragraph. So make it a habit, make it a habit to read the whole paragraph before finding the, before coming to the conclusion for the list of heading. So but how can you read it very fastly? So you have to read it quickly and quickly in your mind. So always try to practice reading newspapers in a speedy way, in speedy way. Let's read it. We all know how it feels. If you are reading it loudly, it takes time. If you are reading it in your mind, it will not take so much time. We all know how it feels. It's impossible to keep your mind on anything. Take time, stretches and all the things you could do seem equally unlikely to make you feel better, but defining boredom so that it can be studied in the lab has proved difficult. Yes, I told you. Yes, that's why I was telling you, I always tell you in my other videos also, always underline the keywords as well as try to find the as well as trying to find the synonyms for these key lines, important words. As I told you, I got the word scientific approach. For scientific approach, I told you the word like scientific methodology or some lab activities or research. Here it is given, so that it can be studied in the lab has proved difficult. But defining boredom so that it can be studied in the lab has proved difficult. Let's read the list of heading where it was given. Yes, problems with the scientific approach to boredoms. Yes, it is given. But defining problems so that it can be studied in the labs has proved difficult. It means there may be some problems coming for these kinds of research studies. But let's read it further. For a start, it can include a lot of other mental states. Other mental states also is also a problem, such as frustration, depression. There isn't even agreement over whether boredom is okay. Don't read these kinds of words, only read the person's name and underline it side by side. It compares it to emotion that motivates us to stay from certain situations if disgust protects human. In this way we are sure we have got the answer for this list of heading. As I told you, for this we have got the A paragraph. Let's write it in front of A. It is 4, and I have struck out from the list of heading that one, so that again and again I am not going to read this list of headings because I have selected it. Let's move on to the B paragraph. By asking people about their experiences of boredom. Experiences, as I told you, for experiences I got the word like feelings of boredom. Here it is given for feelings of boredom, but don't be too happy. We have to find out the whole statement, creating a system. We have to find a system also and classification. Let's read it further for this paragraph. Thomas Goethes and his team at the university, don't read all this, have recently identified 5 distinct types. Yes, classification. For classification I got the word, but please verify it. In different calibrating, these can be plotted on 2 axes when which measures how positive or feeling is. Goetz has found that while people experience all kinds of boredoms, what the statement is saying, classifications for feelings of boredom. One of the 5 types. Yes, people experience all kinds of boredom. Boredom with its explosive combination of high arousal and negative emotion. The most useful is that in different boredom someone is engaged, relaxed, and how it remains to be character traits. Where is, can I find? Have recently distinct 5 times arousal and other form bottle measures, which measures how positive or negative the feeling is. Let's read it. Read the options we have. The productive outcomes that may result from boredom. No. What What teachers can do to prevent boredom? No teacher, nothing was given about teachers. A new explanation and a new cure? No. Okay. Potential danger arising from boredom? No. Creating a system of classification for feelings of boredom? Yes, absolutely. Creating a system or classification of everything, every word is we have found from this passage. So for B paragraph we will be putting the answer. This is 6. This is 6. Okay, let's read the C paragraph. See, I am showing you the whole list of headings how I have found from the passage. Next is C. Psychologic Sandy Man, yes, at the university goes further. All emotions. Always read the inverted comma statement which said by the writers or some personalities. All emotions are there for a reason, including boredom. She says man has found that being bored makes us more creative. Being bored makes us more creative. Something is there. Like, yes, the productive outcomes that may result from boredom. For productive, I think it is, we are going very clearly for this. Let's read further. We all are afraid of being bored. Actually it can lead to all kinds of amazing things. She says in experiments published last year, man found that people who had been made to feel bored by copying numbers out of the phone book for 15 minutes came up with more creative ideas about how to use a man concluded that a passive boring activity is best for creativity because it allows the mind to wander. Yes, let's read it. The productive outcomes that may result from boredom. Yes, the productive outcomes that may result from boredom. Yes, it is true. Let's cut it. Here it is given in the example. Coping, yes, who had been made to feel coping or for 15 minutes came up with more creative ideas about how to use a, now they have come up with creative idea. Here in the first line also it is given all emotions are there for a reasons, including boredom. Man has found that being bored makes us more creative. Okay, for first please cut out this option from the list of options, and for C it is 1. Okay, let's move on to the next. D. Psychological John Eastwood, okay, isn't convinced. If you are in a state of mind wandering, you are not bored. He says, in my view, by definition, boredom is an undesirable state. Undesirable state, okay. Thus, that doesn't necessarily mean that it is an adaptive. He says pain is adaptive. If we didn't have physical pain, bad things would happen to us. Would here means for future a possible things happen to us. Does that mean that we should actively cause pain? No, but even if boredom has evolved to help us survive, it can still be toxic. Let's read it. Okay, if allowed to fester. For Eastwood, the central feature of boredom is a failure to put our attention system into gear. This causes an inability to focus on anything. Okay, let's read it. People try to connect with the world, and if they are not successful, there is that frustration and irritability. He says, perhaps most worrying is repeatedly failing to engage attention can lead to a state where we don't know what to do anymore and no longer care. Let's read the options. Okay, what are the options here? Now we have left with what teachers, no, nothing is given about teachers. A new explanation and a new cure, no. Problems, no. A potential dangers arising from boredom. Yes, it is given very clearly. A potential danger, it is given. Would have bad things, dangers is bad things would happen to us, as well as if boredom has evolved to help us survive, it can still be toxic. So for D, it is fifth option is perfect for this. So let's write it here, fifth. Okay, let's move on to the E paragraph. Where is E? Yes, here it is E. Eastwood's team is now trying to explore why the attention system fails. System is also there, fails. It's early days, but they think that at least some of it's come down to personality. Personality, boredom, proneness has been linked with a variety of traits. Yes, people who are motivated by pleasure seem to be other personality traits. Let's look at the options. I think I have got the clue from this. Okay, identifying those most affected by boredom. Identifying those affected by boredom. Why the attention system fails? It's an early days, but they think that at least some of it comes down to personality. Boredom proneness has been linked with a variety of traits. People who are motivated by pleasure seem to suffer particularly badly. Other personality traits such as curiosity. Okay, more evidence that boredom has detrimental effects comes from studies of people who are more or less prone to boredom. Let's look at this option. I think this is the perfect. Identifying is more evidence that boredom has detrimental effect. Those most affected by boredom, those more affected by boredom is, what is this? From people who are more or less prone to boredom, it seems those who are easily face proper prospects in education. Okay, but of course boredom itself cannot kill it if the things what we cannot alleviate it. Okay, in other words, it's boring and get stuck in any way. Report less boredom than those who try to avoid it by. Okay, from here to here we can easily get the meaning for this paragraph. As I told you, more evidence the boredom has detrimental effects comes from studies and all these things. Okay, let's read it. Let's cut it from the options. This is 8th, this is 8th, this is 8th. Okay, now last one is paragraph F. Now we have left with two options. What are the options? Like, second is what teachers can do to prevent boredom. If you find the word teachers, instructor, educators and something like this, then of course, and to prevent these two words if we find in the paragraph, then of course this will come. And what we have left is what we have left, yes, age groups also. Okay, sorry, we have 6 paragraphs, not 7, 6 paragraphs. Yes, now what we have left, this we have done, this option as well as this and this third also. Okay, let's read it. Psychologist, okay, Frank Coy's Wemsfelder speculates is talking about future, that our over-connected lifestyles might of course even be a new word I got, source of boredom. In modern human society there is a lot of overstimulation, but still a lot of problems finding meaning, she says. So instead of seeking yet more mental stimulation, perhaps we should leave our phones alone. We should new and use boredom to motivate us to engage with the word in a more meaningful way. More meaningful way is giving some, we should leave, we should here means they are giving us some something important ideas to do to avoid the boredom. Let's read at the options. Teachers, nothing is given about teachers and to prevent. A new explanation, yes, of course it is given. And new cure for boredom, yes, I think this is the perfect matching. Speculates that our over-connected lifestyles might even be a new source of boredom, yes, of course. This is in trend now. We are overusing our phones, and for avoid this, so instead of seeking yet more mental stimulations, perhaps we should leave our phone alone. This is the solution actually she is going. So that in this way third option will come for this, and let's write it in front of F. Third, see how I have written. in the numeral numbers, not in another numbers 1, 2, 3. No, it is not wrong. You have to write the numbers in this, in the answer sheet. In front of 14 you have to write 4, you have to write 6, 1, second, 8, and like this. So thank you so much.